Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create Instagram post on different niches and how you can uh, like um, create Instagram posts on different niches and how you can sell this service online on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, or you can go to google.com and find the websites according to your niche, or you can grab the local clients. So guys, that's it, and in today's video I will teach you how you can create a farming Instagram post. Means you can create Instagram post on farming niche. So you can also contact farming agencies or farmers to maintain their Instagram presence. And so let's get started. First of all, we will go to canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software online. You can also edit videos on them. And from next month I started a series on how you can create video reels on different topics. So let's get started. Click on create a design. Here I search Instagram. I choose this post here. It is loading. It's depend upon the internet speed, so wait for some seconds. And here it is loading. Wait for some seconds. So here I search farming. It shows us different templates. We have to choose one of them. I like this one, so I choose this one. So wait for some seconds. It is loading. So first of all, we have to add some elements. We have to change the address line. It is a fake address. We have to put fake username. I am copying this and paste it here for website. This is dummy website for making video. So ignore the spelling, guys, and I want to change the background color. I think it's okay. So guys, our I think it's look good in white. Yeah, it's look good. So guys, that's it for today. As you can see, we created a post in 2 to 3 minutes. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.